Hello, lovely pair to be. The changing world of wedding classes. Today, we embark on a magical journey to help you find the fact go that will make you feel like radiant, confident, and strong. Right, you have always summed of becoming your day is undoubtedly a moment's action, and your wedding should reflect your unique personality and stay whether your vision showing that you will discover the dress of your dream late is transport you to the realm of pure luxury, and there is a wedding rest out there if you find yourself drawn to the charm of their post vantage inspired wedding dress offer a touch of national and timeless yellow drawn in position from a fashion heiress like the 1920s, 1950 and 17 years. This dress is future unique details such as flapper style, frying day, legend, hemlines, or necklace vantage inspired dresses allow you to channel the elegance of bygone year while adding a modern twist that is unique. You whether you are jazz age, dying or little lewing, bride are drawn to all of mood customization with and any shop trees for not the world of wedding fashion is a brewing with drives design from to classic. Note the world of wedding fashion is a brewing with design from to classic elegant, ensuring that you will discover the less of your dream stop into the realm of for luxury and execute conformation as we explore the bright thank fabric that your dream go image the soft amble the right accessories have the power to elevate your look to new hairs of elegance and personalization, delicate jewelry, well, hair, flower, crown can and change your style and embarking on the journey of choosing your wedding dresses experience filled with and hint of your to keep on open mind as you explore different style for trying on radios designs will help you racing with states you best and with your unique action don't follow the fair done exploit of soft like billows your look to new of elegance and personalization delicate speaking wills and flower can change your style adding touch of the drawing of bohemian magic less in the details and the perfect combination of accessories will make you feel royal unique and on your special day we understand that wedding dress is a defenses but rest that of accessories will make you feel royal unique and experimentation on your special day we understand that a wedding is a confident investment but rest that we have quoted selection inform option that are just a string the true beauty of a dress is not defined and but red boy who it make your feel you confident ground that fits your making you feel like $1 million without breaking the bank every pride discover to find a dress and fits here perfectly and that we celebrate the include of wedding dresses available on a range of size to give to any beautiful body shop and if you can find your drawing dress designs offer customization opens allowing you to create on of king gum the perfectly matches your personal style and vision whether you wear timeless classes style future yourself as a princess other the dress with a and William in cigarette that elegance and grace the designs available in luxuries fabrics like style and to can be with Bing and embroidery adding a touch of glamour that will make you feel your figures will adding on touch of law of you withdrawn the man you will love the beauty of long lying dress with face details. This dress is air perfect for outdoor wedding of remains style for more amazing design in coming video. Your dreams gone is out here wedding for you, and you here to stop of the we thanks you for the watching and which you and they I love it. Hello, I am absolutely thrilled to have you here. Today is will memory and thanks you so much for the watching my